In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open WhatsApp on your device. Now, as you can see in here, my WhatsApp doesn't have a Meta AI feature. This can be due to your device isn't up to date or the Meta AI feature is not yet available on your region. So what you can do in here is to head over to Play Store to check if there are available updates for WhatsApp on your device. So go ahead and head over to Google Play Store. Now in here, go ahead and search for WhatsApp. If there is a new update on WhatsApp, you'll be able to find an update button instead of an open button. So as you can see in here, my WhatsApp Messenger is up to date, which means that I don't have the Meta AI feature since the Meta AI feature is not yet available for my region. So the best thing that you can do with this is to wait for the Meta AI feature to be available for your region and update WhatsApp regularly. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.